Hello everyone, this is my early review of my Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 after 3,500 kilometers. Early review because I will prepare a full test after about 10,000 kilometers because this is a significant mileage, but after 3,500 kilometers this is only 2 months of riding because I bought it in September 2023, so I was riding it only about 2 months. And what happened in here? Nothing. Completely. This is a really reliable machine. I like the position. I like being totally relaxed. The position of a rider is very comfortable. After Honda Rebel, after riding Rebel 500, after riding Suzuki SV650, I can say that this bike has a really nice and comfortable position of the rider. It's relaxed. What else? The engine with the crankshaft 270 degrees makes that it's not jerking while I'm riding off from roundabouts, from idle on the second gear. When I twist the throttle, nothing bad happens. It's not jerking. It's accelerating smoothly. So this is the benefit of crankshaft 270 degrees. What modifications I did? Engine guards, protection pipes. So this is a must-have for me, just in case. It's better not to trip over, but just in case, it's good to have it. Second thing is Scott Euler E-System, which is absolutely brilliant. This is a genius device. The only disadvantage is its price. It's expensive, but apart from that, it's a really brilliant solution. The oil is not making any leakages or spoils. It's not covering the exhaust, and that's why I choose E-System, because there are two pipes, two exhausts, and also on the side of the chain there is exhaust, but nothing bad happens. There is no drops of oil on it, so it's really nice. The consumption of oil is just minor. It doesn't consume much. The next upgrade I did is Sport Exhaust Rhino Racing. It doesn't have a catalytic converter, so there is a straight pipe. The stock, of course, but there is nothing inside, just a pure pipe, and then the muffler. The sound is excellent. You will hear it in a moment. The sound is pure. It emphases the twin, the perfect sound of a twin, like Harley Harley for poverty. I call my Super Meteor 650 my super bomber. In fact, this is Harley Davidson for poverty because it's half priced. Another modification is, of course, shown on my channel. I just painted that panels with film, with black film, to cover the ugly inscription Super Meteor 650. I didn't like it at all, completely. Next thing is Sport DNA DNA air filter. Apart from that, 3,500 kilometers, just pure riding. Nothing bad happened. I can say that all of the stock parts are really made with a high quality, because when I bought the aftermarket exhaust, the exhaust on the one hand made of stainless steel is not in such a high quality like the rest of the bike. For instance, it was blowing wool from here. And the second thing, it was whistling like crazy. So look, these are DB killers made by myself. I did it by myself. It's like Arrow makes such a DB killers, or the second company, which is Leo Vince, they do such a things. So I decided to change the design, and I like it more. It sounds really nice. So it's time to enjoy the ride. Let's hit the road, and you will enjoy the pure sound and the point of view from my Super Bomber 650. Let's hit the road. I'll try to tell you now something about advantages and disadvantages. I can say a lot of good things, like excellent riding, the sound, especially with the Rhino exhaust and DNA filter, so it sounds, have a look, it's not jerking. Idle on the second gear, it goes smooth. It's really nice. It kicks in. So these are undoubtedly advantages. It goes really smooth. I'm missing a bit of torque, of course, but not that much. Not that much. It's pretty nice. Maybe a bit of power, but it's not significant disadvantage. Rather characteristics than a disadvantage. But the tachometer is the thing I'm missing most. Even I can skip the pain of lack of simple computer showing average fuel consumption on trip and at the moment, and from reset, so I can even live with that. But tachometer, this is really a shame. That's the biggest disadvantage I hate most. You can ask why. Rebel 500 doesn't have it. Yes, correct. Rebel doesn't have it. It doesn't mean that all the others shouldn't have it too, or either. So that's not good. Another thing is that designers haven't thought about a total mileage on odometer which is higher than 5 digits. It's only up to 99,999 kilometers, 0.900 meters. Why? Why on earth they placed hundreds of meters on odometer? So 99,000 kilometers, and this is it, and the odometer will stop. That's reckless, that's completely stupid. I don't like it. I've sent a couple of emails to Royal Enfield, to India. I was just sent back to a dealership, but the dealer was unable to tell me what is the right oil for this machine. So do you think he'll be competent enough to answer my question? I really doubt it. So that these are the disadvantages. Instead of that stupid tripper, which is completely useless, we could normally place the a gauge for revving. Okay, then it's time to pump in after the winter break, to pump in tires once the gentleman will finish.